Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been another busy week and I'm very happy to be relaxing on the couch playing the new Genshin update through the Lantern Rite Festival. I just got the new Yao Yao outfit, she's so adorable. Playing Genshin inspired me to want to cook a nice, easy, cozy meal to enjoy the evening and take it slow. So let's make Takikomi Gohan. If you're not familiar with Takikomi Gohan, it's a Japanese rice dish that's pretty much just rice seasoned with some stock, usually dashi or soy sauce, with mixed vegetables throughout. You can do it so easily just in a rice cooker, and your main preparation is getting all the vegetables ready. And for me, that's the kind of end of week meal I like to have. I don't want to spend too much time, I just want to get everything ready and sit back and relax and have something nice. So for this Tamikaki Gohan, I've got plenty of vegetables. A lot of them I just had in the fridge. You can really use whatever you have. I've got oyster mushrooms, zucchini, some cabbage and shallots, some capsicum, and it's just some old frozen vegetables that I found in my freezer. You put the rice in, you layer all the vegetables on top. I'm adding some garlic here as well, just for extra flavour. And it's really as simple as that. Once you've got all your vegetables in, you want to use some stock. Since we're vegetarian at the moment, I'm just using a vegetable stock, a cheap one from the shop. Adding some extra seasoning and popping in. Chibi's always so curious when I'm cooking. What a cutie. Josie's coming over to check it out as well. We want dinner, Mum. That's what they're thinking. This is not really a requirement, but just something to jazz up your Tamikaki Gohan. When your rice cooker's nearly ready, get your pan out and fry 2 little eggs. I just find this is really nice on top, makes it a bit more exciting and gives it a bit of extra flavour. Okay. 25 minutes in the rice cooker and we're ready. God, it smells so good. Put it on a little board here so it doesn't melt my cutting board, which is plastic, and we just want to give it a really good stir through. Make sure to use a utensil that's not going to scratch your rice cooker, but because of all that stock we used and all the juice from the vegetables, the rice is nice and sticky. I did use a Japanese sushi rice, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Give it a good mix through and get some serving bowls ready. It's a good way to get your 5 servings of vegetables in as well. It's a really healthy dish that's good for the body and the soul. Nice, calm, easy, cozy. I've got some shallots there ready on the side to put on top, and I've got some gochujang as well, which is definitely not traditional by any means. I'm mixing some Korean flavours into the Japanese dish. But this dish is actually very similar to a vegetarian bibimbap anyway, so I thought the flavours would go nicely. There we are, put the eggs on top. Yum, it looks so good. It's just so easy, and it's nice to know you're having something nutritious that won't take long at all. Put some sesame seeds on top and we are ready to go. Yum. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspires you to cook something delicious and healthy for yourself, and I hope you're enjoying the Lantern Rite event as much as I am. If you're not already, please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video if you enjoyed it. I'm new to YouTube and posting videos every week. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!